make it rain, baby. Let's make it rain. Here we go. We're building the house of profits. Look at this. Look at this nice. Look at this. Look at that buyer's candle. Ding. 325 right there with support. Everybody see it? Ding. New high a day on HOLO. Very nice. Very nice. Look at space. 31%. Woo! Damn. That was up 12% when we called that out this morning. Nice, nice. Oh, what do you know? What do we got here? Oh, we had a level of resistance drew out. Bam! Oh my gosh. It's 9:03 and we're already fired up. We're already firing on all cylinders right here in the house of profits. Now look at this real quick. I know we're running late. I don't care. Look at that candle and look at that candle. This was buyers and this was sellers. You see it? Look at that. Ding, ding. Look at it. And what do you know? Is this a perfect channel? Oh, it could be. Oh, it could be. Huh? Look at that. Come on now. Talk to me. Go ahead. I heard you.
Okay, so go back to that candle. You say one is buyers, one is sellers. Can you explain? That's one thing I've been trying to figure it out. You see the one with the third one from right and the second one from right.
Okay, we'll call this 1 and 2.
Perfect.
And Andrew, we got to get the live show going, but go.
One, yeah, both.
Okay.
One tic-tacs down.
Gotcha. You see this right here, Andrew?
Yeah, so that means he opened at the bottom.
Look at the wick.
Uh-huh.
Do you see how the wick is pushed up?
Perfect.
Right? You see how it looks like people have pushed the wick up so the body was up here?
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't that be buyers? Because what happens to the price of a stock when there's more buyers than sellers?
I see what you say. Okay.
Okay. So the only reason a stock moves, Hamilton, is if there's more buyers than sellers or more sellers than buyers, right?
Makes sense. Okay.
Yep. So if you look at this, right? So this one got pushed down. So think of a bunch of hands pushing it down, right? And this one's a bunch of hands pushing it up. Buyers, sellers. Make sense?
Got you.
Now look at these. Indecisive. See them? You have the same amount of buyers as you do sellers, so the price is flat. We call this consolidation. Make sense? Okay, good.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Look at space. Look at space.
Yep. Yeah, look at space. 34%. Who got in space this morning when we talked about that?
I did, Coach.
I'm up 20%.
I did.
Yeah, Coach. $40.
Nice. Hell yes. Already making money. You guys are awesome. Love it. For you new members that are just showing up, welcome, welcome. We appreciate all of you. My name is Chad. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I have been trading in the stock market for over 30 years. This is American Dream Trading. Thank you all for being here. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country. Thank you so much. Ranked for sales and service and education. As featured over at Inc.com. By the way, we found another, I Googled our name. We were ranked number 1 for free Discord trading communities and ranked number 2 for all stock market trading companies in the world off of their listings. We just found that yesterday by me Googling our name. So very nice. We're getting ranked all over the place. I owe all of that to not with the people with the microphones open, but to my moderators. So I want to thank my moderators right now. Thank you to Bruno Carter, Don Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. Thank you guys so much for being here. Appreciate all of you. Hold on one second. It'd be great if I had my other stream up. Hold on just a moment. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you ready to go? Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you ready to go? Yeah, you are.
You're a clown, dude.
Here we go.
Slim Chad.
Here it is. Let's get this party started. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Lights.
Coach is feeling good. Not even feeling good.
Camera, action, baby. We are up. Oh, those guys are just a stupid show. They don't make any money. Shut your face. 100 million in profits. Come at me now. How you like me now? Here we go. There it is. YouTube. HOLO getting ready for new high. There it is. New high update done. Nice. Looking good.
I'm in it.
Yep, looking good. There we go. Nice.
I wait for the pullback. I got it at 348.
Oh, be careful. You're starting to sound like a professional stock market trader. Don is building the house of profits. Very nice, very nice. Look at that. Okay. All right. Looking good. For all of you that are just tuning in, GME, AMC, you're like, yay, life is good again. Listen, man, I'm glad to see that those stocks are climbing. We have stocks that blow those away literally every single day. Those are the lowest moving stocks that we have ever had at American Dream Trading. At 40, 80, even 100%, that's literally the lowest, less volatile stocks than we trade every day. Am I right, American Dream Trading community? Am I right?
Yes, sir, Coach.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Yep.
Buy new ties, Coach.
What in the world? Come on now. You guys reset the milestones after we've done $2 million with you guys because sellers complained about they couldn't get the new rewards? Yeah, we'll talk about that later. Okay. Thank you guys again for being here. Real quick, I want to thank all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. There it is. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
What in the world is going on in here? All right. So we've already got all of our hot stock picks. VIP members are already making money. VIP members, did any of you make money yet this morning? Go ahead, open your mics, let the world know.
$65.
Thank you. 397.
Oh, wow.
2,400.
Yes. Damn.
$82,000 this morning, Coach.
Oh my.
Jesus.
Ah,
Quiet. Come on.
Is that Mark?
yeah.
Go home.
Marky
Go
Mark.
home.
Woo!
Hey,
Damn.
We crushed it this morning.
Nice
Hey, I
job.
was about to tell mine, but I don't want to say that anymore.
Nice job. Yeah, but we don't make any money over here. We don't make any real money over here at American Dream Trading, right? Because you know.
Can't make money on penny stocks.
200.
Yeah. Now here's what's nuts. So I saw one of our competitors. I stayed up really late, right? I always try to find out what the competition is doing and who they're lying to most of the time. They said that base hits don't matter. They literally in it because they watch our stream every day, right? And they said, and I quote, he said, base hits don't matter. And I'm like, what the? That's why nobody in your community is making real money, right? Listen to me, everybody. Base hits are the most important thing you can do in trading. Ask anybody, ask any real professional stock market trader. They're not swinging for the fences. Base hits is where the magic happens, because once you get into a good trade off of a base hit, they turn into a home run. That's how it works, right? So for all of you, I'm just going to say it, all you clowns out there that are trying to sell these cheesy discords that actually have no absolute value to anyone, now that I'm seeing a bunch of illegal garbage going on, that's not it, man. You need to do better. You need to do better. Teach them. Teach them how to fish. Teach them the real ways, right? Everybody over here comes for training and stays for the community. This is what we want. I train and educate every single person every single day on exactly how to trade in the stock market. This is not some cheesy call out group. That's not us, right? Drawing little lines in the sand and little boxes and all this other horse crap. This is me teaching you hundreds of different ways that you can make money in the market, no matter what the direction, no matter what it's doing. I don't care if it's bullish or bearish. I don't care what the feds are doing or not doing. I don't care about inflation. I don't care about tax rate rising. I don't care about CPI, PPI. We will trade the trades all the time off of base hits and using news, catalyst, support, and resistance, all these key areas, so that you too one day could potentially make $80,000 like Marky Mark did in the pre-market this morning. Marky Mark, how much have you made since being with American Dream Trading since August?
Over 7.3 million.
$7.3 million. So again, stick around, listen to what we're doing. Don't just come in here all crazy like, yeah, but my former uncle roommate's dog owner said that if I just buy AMC and hold it to the moon, I'm going to make $1 million. Stop the nonsense. Come on over here. We'll educate you. I'll get you exactly where you need to be every single time, every single day, right? That's what we're trying to do, is educate all of you. I appreciate everybody. You guys are amazing. Every day I wake up, I am thankful, I am grateful, and I'm humbled to be here helping you guys out. So again, I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you for letting me live my American dream, which is to train all of you and be here every day with you. So in turn, I want to do everything I can in my power to make sure I put you guys in a winning position to do what you can do in here. Now listen, stock market trading is extremely hard. It's not going to be easy. This is the hardest job in the world. So I don't want you thinking you're going to come in here with ideas of grandeur just because, you know, we've made over 100 million profits. Doesn't mean you're just going to walk in the door and start making money. Well, it looks so easy. They make it sound so easy. That's not it at all. There's going to be very hard times. There's going to be highs. There's going to be lows. Now listen, with my rules in place, I try to keep you from that, because there shouldn't be any real low lows, because you're never allowed to lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. So if you're like, this was a terrible day, well, you already know you broke one of my rules. If you have 2 red trading days in a row and you continue to trade, you already know you're breaking my rules. I put these in place, right, to help protect you from yourself while you are learning and growing with us over here at American Dream Trading. So real quick, we're going to go into our pre-market setup so that my paid members have some key critical levels that we're going to use. There's going to be a high level, and then there's going to be a low level. We're going to use that at the open and throughout the day. These are just key critical areas that we have identified to see if the stock market goes above bullish or below the lowest support area, the low number, because that would be bearish. And then we'll use those throughout the day, and especially at the bell, to kind of help us out and navigate, just to give us a starting point of where we need to go. Bruno, are you ready, my friend?
Yeah, coach.
All right, let's rock and roll. Everybody should now be in the market trading ideas. We're going to start with Apple like we always do. Let's go ahead and take a look at Apple. All right, Apple to the upside. I want to see this above this 186.70 to the upside. This is so close right here, 10 cents off. So we're going to go 186 to the downside. Now remember, these could break before the bell. That's okay. Give it 1 to 3 minutes. See if there's confirmation. Remember, the first 3 minutes are the most dangerous, and the last 8 minutes of the trading day are the most dangerous of the day. So please be careful. AMD, upside 150 and 50 cents. Downside 149 and 50 cents. What do you know? Exactly $1 on that one today. Amazon. And by the way, congratulations to all of our members on Tesla's 6-star trade yesterday. Also, GME, AMC, of course, all the things. Another monstrous profitable day here at American Dream Trading. If you were not profitable, just continue to watch, continue to learn. If you're still struggling, don't use real money ever until you understand exactly what's going on and how to trade. Amazon upside 186. 184.75 to the downside. Google 171.20 up. 170 and 15 cents to the downside. Moderators, if I lose internet because it still is acting squirrely, please do me a favor, take over, start sharing your screens, do all the things, and then I'll try to jump in as soon as I can. But so far, so good. Knock on wood. I'm not getting any weird signal issues today. Mara, 17.20 up. You can see this down here, 16.50 down. Meta. All right, Meta right here. Let me make sure. All right, Meta, I think we get in this one a little early. Yep. 465.60 up. Oh, man, this one is, I think we can get in this one early too. 463.50, and it's almost there. Let's pull a little more. 463, Bruno. I'm going to change this just to be a little safer. So 463.30 down. And you guys on that one, make sure you look at previous day low because that should be the bottom level of support if it makes it down there. Looking for a bounce. It could break through, but that would be your first bounce area. Microsoft. Notice we are educating and training as we go. This is what a trading and training community is supposed to look like, just so you guys know. 412,
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, 412.50 up. Now look at this. You can see 15 down here at the pre-market low. 410.83 previous day low. So just to be safe, let's go 411 to the downside. Netflix. 618.22. We're going to have to use this. You can see it was the pre-market high yesterday. And you can see it's consolidating right here. So we'll go 614 downside. Qs. 443.50 up. 442 down. Soxol.
Coach, you can go back to NVIDIA.
Yep.
Because I don't think we did NVIDIA.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, but I got the cues though.
Yep. Okay. Thank you. NVIDIA. Was this already set up? 901.50 up. 897 down. Soxol. Ready, partner?
Yep.
All right. Thank you. Soxol. Now this one is tough too, right? You can see this 55 here. So this is a soupy mess. I would love to say 41.50, but the problem is you can see you got a whole nother little level right there. So what we're going to do, just to clear this level, We'll go 41.60 up. But I think we can get in this one a little early right here. Tons of traffic touching the spot. Let me see. 41.15 down. SPY. Hold on, Dave. I see you. I'll try to get to you here in a sec, partner. SPY. 521.50 up. $5.20.80 down. Last one, Tesla. Don't forget the digital thank you cards are available, and make sure you tip your moderators. If they have ever helped you, make sure you go and show them some love. Listen, if you guys are going to give a waiter, waitress, bartender $2 to hand you a beer after they open the cap, you can just damn well sure at $100 million in profits, make sure you're tipping these moderators. Thank you. Tesla, we make more money than anybody in the business. Open your wallets, help the moderators. Thank you. Tesla, 173.50 down and 175.50 up.
Coach, Tesla had some news.
Okay.
Yeah, it's at a double top right now, Coach.
Okay, thank
Had a
you.
U.S. patent granted on the neural networks for embedded devices. I don't know how significant that'll be.
Nice, thank you. Appreciate that. Dave, you had your hand up. Go ahead, quick.
Yes, sir. Can you just look at SMCI, please?
Yep, it's being hammered. Your critical level. I'm going to give you a free one right now, Dave. You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, make sure you tip those moderators.
Yes, sir.
775 up. 770. Hold on. I think that's 770. Yeah, it's already breaking 770 now. Hold on. Right there. 768 down. Huge range, but that's what it's doing. See this bleed out?
Thank you, Coach.
You got it, partner. Good luck. All right.
Coach, that's really hedged heavily, so be careful on your 2-minute EWOs with SMCI.
All right, thank you. All right, everybody else, you already know what to do. All of our hot stock picks have been posted. AMC is up here on a double top. GME, of course, has already been cranking to the moon. Pay attention. Key critical level for GME is going to be $80. You guys are going to mark $80 gold on GME. You are going to mark gold at around $13 for AMC with a pre-market high of $13.30. Needs to break both of those key levels before you make any trade. You will go back previous in time to start looking at where more data and information is. We went over that in the VIP training this morning just to make sure you guys are okay before you click go, before you click any buy. Andrew, we don't have time for questions right now, but we will after 10 o'clock. If it's an emergency, keep your hand up. Otherwise, put that hand down. Thank you. Love your face. Don't you forget,
All
Andrew, make sure you head over to that ticket. If you need help, make sure in Zoom.
I already did.
Yeah, in Zoom, if you need help, you can type out, and we have tons of moderators standing by to assist you. All right, it's 9:26. If you guys are interested in joining us at any time, make sure you head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. By the way, I have, we're about 3 minutes to the bell. Andrew, is that an emergency? Go.
No, I was just trying to find out for AMC. Let's say I never got in. I want to get in and make some money. What do I need to do?
All right, we'll answer that question later. Okay, moderators, you can help him out when I leave at 11, yes? Or if we get time at 10. Okay, thank you very much. So here we go. Join us at American Dream Trading. Andrew, I literally have 2.5 minutes to get through this morning's spiel, okay?
Please proceed now.
Yeah. So again, if you guys want to join us, we have membership starting at $50 a week. That's brand new. We could take that away at any time. I'm just trying it out to see if there's any interest in it. So far, there's really not. Only a couple people have signed up, so expect that to be terminated soon. If you are interested, though, and you do want to check out our memberships, $50 a week right now. If you get in, I will leave it up. You will be grandfathered in. Again, if we don't have any interest in it, we're not going to have it as a product at all. So again, you want to take advantage, go ahead. Right now, we have a super sale going on just for a couple hours. I think it's until I get offline, which is about an hour and a half left. So if you want to use the code 500 off, all one word, 500 OFF, you can get $500 off any VIP membership. Now, with our regular paid memberships, we have 530 people. You will be joining them immediately in Zoom. We're about a minute and 40 seconds to the bell. You will join them in Zoom. You'll get all the pre-market setup, the hot stock picks, the IPO center, the videos on demand, and the membership lounge. We are here from market open to market close for all of you. You get access to Zoom at 8:45. There's no delays. You're right inside of this room. You can hear us. You get training until the market is closed at 4 o'clock. For VIP members, you guys are going to get the workshop classes, the trading view indicators. Let me pull this up. The VIP training videos, masterclass training with me at 8:15. Excuse me. You're going to get the pre-market setup inside of Zoom where you can trade with our other millionaire traders starting at 4 a.m. Eastern. And of course, VIP seating at the meetups, which will be announced. VIP Gold memberships. Remember right now, if you buy it from now till the end of this month, I'm selecting 2 lucky people from the pool of whoever buys VIP Gold from now till the end of the month. You both will have a chance to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $5,000. With the VIP Gold add-on, you guys will get mastermind classes, which we have limited seats available. Sign up for that right now. You don't have to be any members to get that. But VIP Gold, get mastermind classes for free. 1 hour of tech support. If you need assistance, we can remote it and help you out. Weekend training every single weekend. We've been giving you training in the VIP Gold. VIP Gold Lounge access. VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. 7 seconds to the bell. Our brand new news service daily, and we've been doing daily and weekly in any breakout rooms. Listen, let's have an amazing day. Let's kick some ass. Nobody go rogue. Follow the rules. Love your faces. Here we go. All right, let's see what's happening. Apple is popping off to the upside right now. Apple's looking good, has already broke above pre-market setup, already broke above the high of day for pre-market. AMC pulling back as expected. Remember, if it drives up in the pre-market, most likely it's going to have a sell-off at the open. That's people collecting their money. Apple still continuing to climb, up almost 1 full percent right now. SPY looking to start going to the upside. Same with the Qs. Apple, though, driving the bus here right now. Apple driving the bus. 1%, still a 6-star trade. Everything's looking good. You got your crossover. You're above the 200. You're above VWAP. The momentum is trading to the upside. And you are high of day. Everything looking good so far.
Coach, look at Tesla.
Thank you. Over 2% now. Yep, Tesla is looking to break above our pre-market setup to the upside. Up 2% on Tesla. Looking
GME is halted.
To the
GME is halted.
Yep, GME
To
is
the
halted
downside.
to the downside, so we're not really concerned about that. We got a runner right here. Pay attention, everybody. CTNT. CTNT. Cheetah Net Supply Chain Services. Right now, CTNT. 1.9 million volume flowing in. This is a 10.5 million stock. Crank into the moon. Lots of volume. CTNT. Looking really good here. Make sure you guys have your stops in place. Make sure you're checking your L2s. Go back in time. Make sure you're looking at, excuse me, these key critical areas so we know exactly where it wants to do, what it wants to do. Lots of volume pouring in. Same thing, remember AMC, GME, HOLO, all the other stocks. HOLO starting to move. We had a bounce on HOLO at $3. $3 bounce. Moving up nicely, HOLO. Tons of volume, 30 million volume pouring in there. It is a super low float under 5 million at 3.62 million. Very nice. We had a 375 resistance in the pre-market. Keep an eye on that. We'll see what that's going to do. By the way, thank you everybody for tuning in. You guys are absolutely amazing. Let's see if we can get 20,000 likes over at American Dream Trading and 20,000 likes over at ADT Coach. Make sure you guys click that follow button and click share right now. Let's get the algorithms fired up. Let's go, baby. If you buy the $50 a week
Coach,
premium,
Tesla has big news on a patent we talked about earlier, but it's ripping to the upside.
Tesla still ripping. Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Tesla still to the upside. Thank you. Yep. Tesla broke our pre-market level of 175.50. Congratulations, everybody, on that. 3% now to the upside. If you buy the $50 a week premium membership, you get everything I mentioned with the regular memberships. Moderators, help kill those mics for me. That'd be great. CTNT still getting massive volume. It had a bounce of support on VWAP. CTNT looks explosive.
Damn it, Coach. I try to get on that.
Thank you. Yeah, that looks extremely explosive.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep, you got it. Move those stops up. Be careful. We don't know what it's going to do. Make sure you guys, I said, go back in time. Let me go back, see if we can find any previous areas. Oh my gosh, look at this. What? This was IPO'd in August and it shot up to $8. Here's all your key levels. Wow, look at this thing. Look, can you guys see this? This is how far back you got to go. You got to go back since the IPO. See it? Woo. Wowza. Nice.
Coach, AMC wanted and GMC.
Yep, we got them on the radar. They're doing nothing, but we already knew that, didn't we, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, we did.
Cheetah priced an offering 13 million for $13 million, 62 cents a share. Careful.
On which one?
Cheetah.
Oh, I see it. Yep, Cheetah offering 62. Wow, 62 cents a share. Okay, let's see. That's inside. So at some point, that's what they have. Make sure you guys. Oh, it's below VWAP. Out. X-nay. You guys already know. Pull the cord. Pull the rip cord. Pull the rip cord. Everybody in here knows. Yeah, pull it. Pull the rip cord. You know if it drops below VWAP, it's toast. NVIDIA hit 889.34. Looks like that was support on NVIDIA. See if we can get a bounce.
I have an emergency.
Go.
My Webull account is keep on saying the server is not responding. Please try again later. Keep on saying that to me.
Try.
It's happening to me too.
Yep. Try in your mobile app if you got to get in or out of something. Mobile app.
Yeah, it won't let me log in too. It keep on saying that. Try later.
Reboot it. It just happened to me too now.
There it is. Everybody.
Yeah, I just rebooted and keep on saying that too.
All right. Let's
just keep trying.
Yep. Keep trying.
Do it once again, actually. For the third time, I got it.
Thank you. Let's get with support if you need to. But yes, reboot. Try your phones. Reboot those. Close the app. Reopen the app. Make sure you're updated. Webull did have an update this morning. Make sure you guys are all on the latest update. Thank you. Just keep us in the loop if Webull continues to have problems. Thank you. Space had a nice bounce off the 200. Space at $1, bounced around $1.23. Space up 30%. We'll see what that wants to do. Keeping an eye on that.
GME halted down again.
It halted down again. Okay, thank you. Nice. Clove, CLOV, another meme stock. What do you know? CLOV is now up 24%. This is another one of the meme stocks, by the way. This was driving with AMC.
AMC is live.
Okay, thank you. Be careful.
Previous hot stock pick, NVAX, NVAX, 10% up.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good call out. NVAX was a runner yesterday too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, nice. Good call out. NVAX, NVAX. Great for smaller accounts, $14.74. Nice. Everybody make sure you're using your stops.
Coach, CTNT is on the rise again. Just made $320 off.
Nice job. CTNT. Yeah, if you held through that, you got diamond hands. Here's your little hand. Look at that. Look at those sausage fingers. This is before I lost my weight. Coach's sausage fingers right there. Here's your big diamond ring. Shing! There you go. Don't worry, I'll be here all week. Tip your moderators.
By the way, Coach.
Yep. Tip your moderators will be here all week. There goes CTNT finally starting to pop off of the VWAP. Finally making a move. NVIDIA did find support at 889.34. Apple still to the upside. Apple's still to the upside. 2-minute EWO still paying on Apple. CTNT blasting off, man. That's got a lot of room. I got next level 650, then 690, then 850.
Just make 600 bucks on it.
Oh, there it is. $600.
What's cup? In and out.
Nice job. Nice job. Remember to move those stops up, everybody. Don't go in too heavy-handed where you can't get out if a stop actually has to circuit break on you, right? Okay, good. Good. Let's see.
Coin just right into the upside.
Which one?
Coin.
Okay, thank you. Yep, crypto stocks. Let's check them all. Yep.
Microsoft, second green EWO.
Thank you. There you go. Microsoft, second green EWO. Yep, Mara's to the upside. It's getting ready to flip red to green. Coin to the upside.
FFIE, new high day. FFIE, new high day. Hashtag pick.
Thank you. FFIE, new high a day. Beautiful call out. 80%. Small accounts. Take a look at this. 130 million volume. Woo! It's already over 3 times its average daily volume. Like I said, AMC and GME, those would be the lowest volatile stocks we've ever traded in our lives.
Netflix, 2-minute EWO, Coach.
Thank you.
Yep,
Plug. PLUG found support at $4. PLUG found support at $4. Yeah, Netflix up on our critical level to the upside at $6.1820. New high a day on Netflix, breaking that double top, $6.1885. It went from red to green. Nice job. Thank you, everybody. Germany, I'm not sure what you can trade with in Germany. Check Interactive Brokers. I know a lot of people around the world are using that, but you just Google which brokerages you can use in Germany. Check your regions to see what is the best. Thank you, guys. Thank you for those roses, Kevin. I see you over there on TikTok. I appreciate those. Thank you.
Coach, check out iRobot. iRobot, IRBT.
77% on TSLL, Coach.
Oh, nice job. Yep, I see iRobot. It's got lower volume right now, though. Only 577. Nice job on TSLL following Tesla to the upside. Remember, if we call out Tesla, right, and you want to ride it in the exact same, TSLL is perfect for small accounts, right? Okay, good. Let's see. GME still to the downside. Mara has flipped red to green, looking good. Crypto stocks are moving to the upside. AMC is still to the downside, so is GME. Sundial. We got a weed stock going up. It's growing like a weed over here, almost 15% on Sundial. 15% on Sundial.
Coach.
Hey.
Coach, your shaving technique is absolutely flawless. I love it.
Nice
That's
job.
how I got almost 80% on the TSLL. God bless you, man. I love you. Thank you.
Great job. Great job. FFIE hot stock pick continuing to climb 130, 135, making GME and AMC look like small potatoes over here. 136%, 137%. Hot stock pick, you got it here first. FFIE. 135, 137. Still moving up nicely. Perfect for small accounts. This is a penny stock. 14 cents moving to the upside still. 142, 144%. 145%. Hot stock pick, FFIE. 149, there's 150. Do I hear 151? There it is, 151, 152. 154%, 155. Hot stock pick, FFIE. Make sure you move your stops up. I see big sellers sitting at 1561. Big sellers, huge sellers at 1561. That gets bought out. Oh, and it did. Bye-bye. 168. There's 178%. 178, 182, 185, 186%. If you listen to the sound of my voice, you are going to have the greatest day of your life. 192, 195%. Hot stock pick, FFIE. Move your stops up. Move them up. Move them up. Nice job. Hit 18 cents. FFIE. Seller's candle right there. Nice job, everybody. Let's get that money train going right now.
Coach, CTNT just broke through.
CTNT halted. CTNT halted up.
Yes.
Got out just before the halt.
Nice job. Nice job. CT.
Hey, Coach, I can ask a quick question now.
Nice job. Somebody.
Hey, Coach, I have a question.
Make sure you raise those hands. Angel, go.
Sorry, sir. In these halts,
yep.
Do you try to get out before a halt, or I shave before the halt?
Just remember, before the halt, we scoot those stops up, right? If you're using shares, move your stops up.
Got it. Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it. We discussed that in the VIP this morning. So make sure you're doing that. This is the training. This is the training I gave everybody in the VIP this morning. So everybody was prepared, right? Yes, that's not just Coach trying to sell you a product. Everybody get your asses in the VIP room. There's a reason why, right?
I used to think that way though.
Yep, get in there. Noonie, you got your hand up. Go.
Make $538 with CTNT.
There it is. There it is. We caught it first, right? CTNT. We caught it before the rest of the world. Nice job.
In 2 minutes.
Boom. 2 minutes. $500. Thank you very much. FFIE. Blasting off. Look at this monster. Remember, move your stops up. Move them up. Move them up. We went over this. VIP members, we discussed this. This is all in your training this morning, setting you up for success. Hold on, Brian. I'll get to you in just a second. FFIE is trying to make new high a day again. 17.5, starting to climb again. Move your stops up. Move it up. Move it up. Brian, go.
Yeah, just a quick thing. You may have said it earlier. I came in late, but at 10 o'clock, Powell is speaking.
Yep, that is correct. Thank you. Appreciate it. And we'll have shift change. So that's in 13 and a half minutes. Thank you. Andrew, you got your hand up. Go.
Yeah, so quick question. Can you explain to me the volume versus average volume, right? In terms of sellers and buyers.
Yep. Okay. So everybody, and normally, just so you know, Andrew, we don't do big full Q&A in the first 15 minutes of the day. Wait till after 10 a.m. Eastern, but I'm going to do it now. So real quick, average volume is what it typically sells for in any given day. The volume is what it's selling for today. So typically, if your volume is 5 or more per times what the average volume is, usually that equates to rocket ship. All right. Great question. Yep, but save those till after 10 o'clock. Love your face.
GME broke.
Yep, I see it. GME still crashing out. So while the whole world was putting every penny they had into GME and is now screaming on that roller coaster ride, everybody at American Dream Trading is either making money or learning something, a new skill today. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yay, thank you.
Yes,
There
sir.
it is. There it is. Nice job.
Hard
Love your,
stopping in trade. Sorry. Yes.
you're fine.
920% AMC calls.
Oh my goodness. 920% hot stock picks. AMC calls. Woo! Nice job.
Coach, what's the on-hold time? CTNT.
Let's take a look here, partner. Let's see. CTNC. Somebody beats me to it. You can yell it out. Let me refresh because I don't even see it.
94909.
940.
909.
There it is. 94909, partner. So 20 seconds. 20 seconds, Nate.
All righty.
That is CTNT. CTNT. Sounds like Nate is riding the lightning. Got in on that call. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Should on halt any second on CTNC. 5 seconds, Nate.
All righty. Ready.
There it goes. It is live. It is pulling right here. Let me see. It hit 5. Oh, there. Look at that buyer's candle. Whoa. Woo-wee. Oh, caution, caution, caution. Yep. I was going to say, the reason I knew that was this candle wick right here.
Crazy.
Yep.
Wow. It's crazy.
Everybody see that wick?
Halted again. I was way ahead of you, Coach. I didn't even move.
Good job, partner. Good job. You saw it too, didn't you, Nate? That wick right there?
Yes.
Yeah, like, no. Yep. It should not have. The reason is, everybody, in case you're like, how did you know that, Coach? It should not have flashed a seller's, this is a seller's wick off of a drive to the upside. All we should have seen was body, right? Body moving
That's
up.
right.
Yep. As soon as it showed me a stall when it's trying to break, that's dangerous when you're at a new high. So that peak.
Yep, didn't even flinch.
Yep. That hit new high at $5.60. Remember, this is why I train you all. Move your stops up. So as soon as it went live, if this was your stop right here, as soon as it goes live and you see it going up and up and up, we just move it up. Move it on up, right? Okay, good. That's how it saves you. So that went from 560 to 420 in a heartbeat, right? Just ding. Show of hands. Did anybody make money on CTNT?
I did, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Me, Coach.
Thank you.
Me too.
Thank you. How about this? Did anybody get burned on CTNT?
Nope. Go far, I did. But
I did.
I got sell yet.
I did, Coach.
You got
I
stopped
think
out?
most of that drop right now.
Okay.
That drop right now killed everybody.
Yep, that
We
drop
teach that. We teach that every morning.
every
We
morning.
teach it every morning.
Every single morning, because we're always doing pre-market trading, which always looks like that, right, everybody?
My stop saved me from losing more.
Oh, nice job. Yeah. Now remember,
Listen,
even with a stop, this is really important. I want you guys to see this, okay? Let's say my stop was right here, okay? This is our stop. Even with a stop, it can still drive through this because remember, all a stop is placing an order, right? Order to sell. That doesn't mean it's going to get filled immediately. All that means is at the stop or lower, place the order to sell, which means it could still continue to crash out. This is why I tell you all the time that position size is very important. The reason on a move like this, and this is going to be for all of you, GME, AMC, everybody that's watching, The reason that matters is, let's say you had a stop here with 10,000 shares, right? The order gets in, it starts selling off, selling off, selling off. By the time it halts, what if you only sold half? What if you only got out of 5,000 because all the orders didn't fill? You need buyers to buy them from you, right? So, if you had 1,000 shares, most likely from here to here, you got out. This is why I always tell you when we're watching the volume or watching the L2, I say it all the freaking time. Does the L2 support how many shares or the position size you're buying into? Everybody, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. 100%.
Okay, good.
Gotta have liquidity in the market.
That's right. And there's got to be somebody there to buy or sell, right?
Sure.
Yep. So if you're like, I'm going to load the boat, and you're in with 100,000 shares of, AMC, and the bottom drops out. Well, what if there isn't 100,000? Yeah. What if there's not 100,000 people to buy it? Right? So, or 100,000 order, as it were, because it doesn't need to be individual buyers, one a share at a time. You guys know what I'm saying. Pat, go ahead. You got your hand up. Pat, go ahead. While we're waiting for Pat to find that unmute, look at FFIE found support at VWAP, bounced right back through our channel, and now we're back into this channel. There's your bounce on support. Everybody see it?
Yeah, I hammered that with 100,000 shares. I'm killing it on that.
Oh my goodness. Who said that?
Yeah, I got it late.
100,000? Oh my gosh.
100,000 share.
Was that Marky Mark?
Is GameStop halted?
I was CTNT.
No, that wasn't me, Coach. But yeah, GameStop halted up.
Coast.
Did you see the sellers at 17 cents? Over 500,000.
Thank you. That was Palm Coast with 100,000 shares at FFIE on the bounce of support. Is that right?
Yes.
That is beautiful. Look at the L2. See at 17 cents, 500,000 shares. So can anybody tell me real quick, show of hands, where the sellers might possibly be? Show of hands.
17.
Oh, there you go. Ding, ding, ding. That's one sticker for you. Nice.
Jimmy about to unhold, folks. 10 seconds.
Thank you. You get a star sticker today. You hear me? Nice job.
Coach, what kind of a stop should we have on that FFIE? About 6 cents?
It's showing me 2 cents. But
2 cents.
Yeah, 2 cents. Because think about it. If this is at 16 cents, 14 cents is all the way the hell down here. See this? So it's,
Yeah, I said thank you.
Yep, because it's 0.015 is showing up right here. So you could do 1 to 2 cents. I think 1 cent might be a little tight, but it's really up to you. You could do a cent, but if you look at it, if you were, let's use this. If you were at 16, 1 cent would put you, like this. That's pretty damn tight. See it?
Coach, what for that amount? What kind of stop are you putting in that one? Same thing, about 2 to 3 cents.
On 100,000 shares.
Yeah.
1 cent.
Exactly.
Seriously.
Yeah, dude, because 1 cent is $1,000. That's crazy.
Right.
Game.
And the thing is that if it pulls really hard and you're trying to dump that many, it might not be until you went absolutely flat where you bought it again and lose all your profit, right?
Yeah. So I just shed 50. I just shed half of it basically.
Yep. Smart. See, and here it comes. See it breaking through this channel. So now you want to watch the 15-cent channel. Now, everybody, didn't we say at 17 cents was all the sellers, right? It got yep, and look, it got to 16.50. And don't we know to get out a little early if we're going to sell, or get in a little early if we're going to buy?
Yes. Yeah, I was running out of gas, so I shed half up there.
Smart.
Now they're down to 16. People are getting impatient.
Yep. Yep. So now we're just
Hey,
trying
Coach,
to see.
what happened to CTNT? It was supposed to unhalt and it went right back on? Is that what happened?
If it did not unhalt, that means that they got a phone call. They're investigating it. Yep.
Oh boy. That's
So,
bad news.
Yep. So here's what you need to do. So every 5 minutes from the exact halt, that should unhalt. So every 5 minutes it's checking. But if you're in the trade, stare at it, right? Now you don't get to take your eyes off that trade, right?
I'm on it, sir.
Give me the warning.
I'm on it.
Thank you. Yeah, minute 40 seconds. Minute 40 seconds. Shift change and Fed conversations today. That means this whole market could act a little squirrely. ADX 369, one of our regular paid members, says, newbie question, how do I know when a halt is coming so I can move my stop loss? Here's the thing, ADX 369, we never know when the halt is coming. We have a pretty good idea on, extreme volatility. So every time it is live, move it up, right? And if you're in the trade, move your stop loss up. If it's going up higher, move your stop loss up. Continue to go with it in the range that you want using your risk to reward ratio. Or if you want to stop babysitting it, once it's gone beyond a certain point that you like, flip it to a trailing stop and let the system handle it, right?
Just don't move it if it's halted.
Yes, and yeah, exactly. Don't move it when it's halted, and don't try to put in a stop during a halt because it will break.
So, Coach.
Yep.
I'm new to options trading, and I have 15 contracts on AMC.
Okay.
How do I sell these right now?
You can't if it's halted.
No, it's not halted right now. AMC is not halted.
It is halted. It's halted every 5 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, it's halted. Yep. That's why you can't get rid of it, partner.
So how do I place the order to sell?
If you're in the red, sell it at market. If you're in the green,
I'm up $6,600.
Sell it at limit. Now, are you sure you want to sell it? Put in a stop. Put in a stop on it.
Okay, so I'm on Robinhood. How do I put a stop on this thing?
Robinhood. Hold on, let me look. AMC.
Because I hit trade, and then it says view all options, will position, or sell.
You're gonna go to sell. You're gonna go where it says order type, and you're gonna put in a stop loss order, and then put in the cents, right? Whatever it's moving at. And just remember,
I only see limit or stop limit.
Yep.
Or stop market.
No, stop market.
Stop market?
Yes, because if you do stop limit, it might miss it and keep on running. Now, here's the thing that you need to know. Okay. Robinhood is absolute doggy doo-doo for a stop on a contract. So I would be babysitting this with all of my life. Robinhood is the worst there is for stops on a freaking contract. And I mean the absolute worst.
So I put in sell 15 contracts and then stop trigger price. What would I put on there? It says bid 455 and ask 715.
What is it at right now? If you look at it, it's going to tell you what it's at now.
It's at 1042.
Okay, so just make sure it's somewhere. Where do you want to sell it? Higher or lower than that? You see what I'm saying? So if you want to be lower than that, it's at 1042. Maybe you put it at 1015 because I don't know what it's moving. Like I don't know what its range is. So look at how much it's moving because you've been staring at it, right?
Yeah.
So now
so if I put at 1015, I'm sorry to cut you off. If I put at 1015, it says estimated minimum credit $15,000.
15,000. But you have 15.
Coach, I just sold.
Hold on.
I sold mine at 931. What I did, I put in. It was bidding 480, and it was asking for 60 or something. And I put it right in the middle.
I got you.
And I got out at one of the halts.
So what did you pay for them, partner? Quick.
I paid shoot.
Average price.
Let me go back. Average price 1.44.
1.44. Okay, and it's at $10. You're 900%. Nice. So when it unhalts, you are going to see exactly how much it's worth, it's going to show you. Do you see where it says 1042 or whatever it's at?
Yeah.
Make sure you're in your contracts.
So I'm in my contracts right now. I'm actually putting the stop limit order.
Okay. Well,
15 contracts.
Here's the thing. Don't do it until this opens because you have no idea what the hell to put it at, right?
Right. It's
We don't
where
know
it
what
says stop price. I don't know where to put it at.
Yeah, and we don't know until it goes up, until it's live. So the second it goes live, you're going to tell me exactly what it's worth.
Yeah.
Right?
2-minute EWO NVIDIA.
Okay, so what did you buy? What's the expiration strike price fast?
$7. Expiration 628. Yeah, it's 628. AMC breakdown price 744.
Okay, everybody watch my screen. We're going to do this as fast as we can. I'm going to try to catch this before the unhalt. Buy call June 28th, strike price 7.
Yeah, 744.
No. What's the strike price? It's not 744. Is it 7? It'll say $7 call.
585.
Nope.
AMC $6 call.
There it is, $6.
5.85.
$6. Okay. 15. Everybody
20 seconds on scheduled unhalt.
Thank you. If you look at my screen, it's actually between $5 and $7. See it?
Oh, okay. Got it.
So as soon as this goes live on your screen, it will tell you exactly what it is worth. And I'm going to pull this up also on Webull. Everybody bear with me and stick around. Don't open your mics yet. Is it live?
TikTok is not live.
It's up. Yep, no worries. It's up.
Yes, AMC is live.
What is the price? Only you, everybody else, kill your mics.
1008.
1008. Okay, so now you know where to put your stop, right? You can put it at 850, 875, 890, 9. Like, what are you comfortable with?
10 even.
Okay, there it is. Just remember at 10 even, it's going to probably sell immediately, but there you go, right? Because it keeps bouncing around. I can see it at 10. It keeps constantly bouncing. But if that's where you want to take it.
It says it says your stop price is the current ask price.
Yep, so you got to go lower. You got to go lower, got to go lower, got to go lower. Go lower.
All is up.
Go lower. Right now it's at 975. 977.
It's still not letting me.
You got to wait for that order. You got to cancel the order. Cancel the order.
It's a disable stop price or edit stop price.
Did
low
you
stop price. It's telling me that it's a low stop price.
That's okay. Did you cancel the order?
I did.
Put in a new order. Put in the new
Trade,
price at like
sell.
Do the
Number of shares 15.
If you can't figure this, if you cannot figure this out, just sell these immediately, all right, partner? Because you're going to lose an ass load of money sitting here not knowing your mechanics. You understand?
Yep. So trade, sell.
There you go.
Shares.
Yeah, not shares. Okay, because they're contracts.
Okay.
Come on, let me know when you're out.
So,
come on, let's not get back $6,000. Do you know how to get out? Are you selling?
I'm trying to sell here 15. Limit price. Do I put limit price?
Nope. Market. Get rid of it now. Nope.
Enter limit price or continue. Okay.
Just next. It should dump them.
15 of 15, $7,000. Done.
Are you out?
I'm out. Yep, I'm out.
Hey.
I was sweating. I wasn't even in it.
We're all
sweating over here for you.
Coach, I was holding my breath on that one. Good job, Coach.
Excellent landing, coach.
Nice job.
Yeah, I sold all my shares. I sold all my shares too. I got out of everything.
Okay,
Coach,
nice job.
Put the point down, coach.
Nice
I need a
job.
cigarette. I don't even smoke.
Make sure with Rob, did you go back?
Look at that.
Now that's a coach. That's a coach.
Winston.
You coached him right through it, coach.
Oh, okay, good job.
Go back
So,
to
make sure it's sold. Go back to your homepage, make sure it's sold.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Go back to home and click refresh on your browser if that's what you're using, or in your app.
Okay.
All right. Good job, though. Listen, before you do any
Log it
more,
in your journal. Log it in your journal.
yeah, before you do any more, what I would do seriously, just to make sure you don't run into that again, partner, just do like just trade a couple of small ones with like Ford or something, so you can understand how to put in a stop, how to, you know what I mean, how to work Robinhood to its fullest potential. Because the fear of this, now I want everybody to think about this. So he ended up profiting $7,000, which is awesome, right? But the problem
I'm up
is,
total
Yeah,
$11,600 total, with including shares.
nice job.
There you go.
$11,600. So there you go. By the way,
Beautiful.
you just paid for all your memberships, that more than we've ever had here. Nice job. But anyways,
Thank you.
forever the sales guy. You guys like me plugging that? Yeah, you do. But here's the reason I say this. If you don't know the mechanics, the problem is, what if AMC turned into a bigger free fall, right? Because honestly, I assume you held these overnight, right?
I did. I only took small positions because of that.
I got you. Now, everybody in here, are you a VIP member?
I am not. I'm just a regular member.
Yep, it's time. Because our training in our VIP, everybody VIP, if this runs to the upside in the pre-market, what is it going to do at the open? Most likely?
Sell.
Go down.
Sell back. Sell. People take profit.
Pull
Yep.
back, collect profit.
Yep. So, and who was I talking to? Was that Jose?
Yes.
All right. So, Jose, the reason I'm saying this, because if you were a VIP member, when you would have sold here, you would have made at least another $5,000 today, minimum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
I thought it was up at one point up to 17,000.
And you said, and how much did you collect? 11?
11.
Yep. So I was off by 1,000. This coach doesn't know shit. Shut it down. This guy is worthless. This guy's dog.
You're awesome, coach.
This guy's dog.
Or still
shit.
be in it with a stop loss and not cap your upside.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you
Coach?
might want to go, and I'm not trying to hard sell you, but seriously, we talk about this kind of stuff every single day. If you're interested, if not, don't worry about it. This goes for all of you. Make sure to use the code today. 500 OFF. Thank you. Nice job though, Jose. Very proud of you, man. Nice work.
Thank you. No, thank you, coach.
Great
Thank
job.
you for your help.
Yeah, great job. Nice. By the way, all of you, I have one VIP lifetime available. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Use that code. Is that code available for the lifetime too, Bruno? I don't know if it is or not. But anyways, one VIP lifetime is available. Go grab it right now. I'm shutting them doors. 111.
Thank you, Jose.
Let's see. Funky, go ahead. You got your hand up.
Yeah, coach, I was just trying to chime in there. I'm pretty sure when he was trying to get out, he was mixing up the stock price with his contract price. That's why he couldn't get out.
That's correct. That's why I kept hearing the $10. That's why I had him go into it, because I knew it wasn't 10.30, which was the actual stock price, right?
Right.
Yep. I heard it too. As soon as I heard
So,
that.
so even there, it wouldn't have let me say, I couldn't put a stop loss even at 10.
Well, remember you had two things going on, right? You have shares that you got to control, and you had options that you had to control. With the shares, you could have used a trailing stop or a stop loss. I can tell you right now that Robinhood is actually really good at trailing stops. So a trailing stop for you would have been great. So what I mean by this is, at the open, it opened around $12. We could see right here, it was around 40 cents. So even if you would have had even a 40-cent stop, it would have took you down to 11.60. Right here, it would have triggered the stop. So then your shares would have been gone, right? So you'd have made ass loads of money right here. Then your contracts, we would have put in a same thing. You would have put in a stop, which on the contracts is a little bit harder because you can't, It's not apples to apples, but you would have known at the open, it would have told you what the price is, right? You could have used that to then determine, okay, how much of a range do I want? So, you know, if it was, let's see, you sold them around, what did you end up selling them at? $8, something like that? $10? I don't even know.
Yeah, no, nine even, I think, right around there.
9 even. Okay, this guy, I'm terrible. This coach's math is shit. So $9, right? You could have even did a 50 cents or a dollar range, right? And up here.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, and up here, these things probably were, you know, $14, $12. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you still would have made out like a bandit up here. And if it would have just pulled back slightly and drove, you would still have the opportunity to make money. But since it didn't, all of these would have cut you off and said, hey, get the hell out of there, right?
Right.
Yep.
Right. Yeah, I had to be jumping between TD and Ameritrade too, or Thinkorswim to run and back and forth for shares. Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. So that's pretty challenging. Pretty challenging. But hey, I know you were sweating, but guess what? There's 11 grand.
Yep.
Yep. That's more than most Americans for a family of 2 will make in 3 months. Nice job. 2 months, 2.5
Coach,
months.
can I chime in on that?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
All right. Jose, you just made how much?
Yes.
Let's just figure this
11,000.
out. 11,000. Let's say you just made $7,500 and take that $2,500 and get that VIP, man, because right now you have it. Take advantage of it while you can.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. Take advantage of it while you can.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Checks in the mail.
On top of that, you can take 5,000 to the VIP lifetime, and you still be winning 6,000. So it's worth it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, actors. 236-B and C checks in the mail.
Yeah, it's worth getting, man. I've traded 5 years, and coaches teaching me how to trade correctly. My 5 years experience is no good compared to what he knows. Get it, it's worth it.
Thank you, Soul Runner. I appreciate it, everybody. So good job. Listen, that was a good trade. And I don't want you to think we're picking on you, Jose. It's a great learning moment for everybody too, right? So whenever somebody has a situation like that, it helps everybody. There will be people in this room that had no idea what to do on any of those situations. So it's always good. So we appreciate you as well jumping in. And I know it was under an emergency situation, but that's okay, man. You helped a lot of people right there. Okay. Nice job.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
Coach, I think we helped him out yesterday as well. So yeah, I hope he's.
Yeah, they were on it last night with me. We were going over that exact trade.
Yep.
Yeah,
absolutely.
They definitely did advise me not to hold it overnight.
Yeah, absolutely.
that's not okay, but yeah, I'll learn for next time.
Yep. And Jose, if you do join us, we're every day. I start at 8:15 with masterclass training. By the way, this morning, before this bell rang, we had already discussed everything that I just helped support you through, which means if you were in the VIP this morning, you would have already known exactly what to do at the bell. Am I right? All VIP members, we did this this morning.
Yes, sir.
Because I
absolutely.
Yeah, because because I was prepping everybody for GME and AMC, and we were discussing it and how do we handle it and what do we do. This is exactly everything we discussed. How to put in those stops. Literally, how to control all the stops was everything we went over in VIP this morning. Am I right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Are correct.
Yep. So,
Coach, I think VIP room also made about 170,000 before 8 o'clock.
That is correct. $170,000 this morning before the market opened. Absolutely. Nice job.
Were you just talking about Christopher Walken?
Yes. That's pretty good.
187,000.
Nice. All right, so let's see what's going on. Nice job, though, and congratulations on that trade. Sundial. Now, here we go. This is another learning moment. I want to show you guys this real quick. This is off the 1 minute candle. We already know if VWAP is support as it's coming down and it breaks through, don't we then look at the 200 MA?
Yes, sir.
Yep. And
As a
look,
support. Yeah.
that's right. And where, look at
Coach, I don't want to
exactly.
interrupt you, but Spice question.
Okay, thank you. And look at exactly where it bounced. Everybody see it?
Yeah, the 200.
Yep.
Coach, so now why not use like 100 or 150 before you get to 200 MA?
Because nobody else is using it, Andrew. So we use what everyone else is using. So because remember, the trading psychology is we have to know what other traders are thinking and or looking at so we know what to do. So right here, here is your 200 again. Guess what would be a very good trade if it can't hold the 200 MA?
Long.
Put.
There you go. Because there is, it broke through support. This is support. If it cannot hold, lights out, looking for the move to our pre-market setup. But we cannot get into this until it is a break and hold. Okay, good. Nice, nice. This is the level.
Don't you think Powell is speaking?
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah. Yeah, Powell's, crushing the system probably. And what do you know, Andrew?
Hey, Coach.
Andrew, look.
As usual.
Andrew, see it? There's the 200. There's VWAP. This is a double critical area, everyone. Yes?
Yeah. It's so tight too. Like it's really
Yep.
tight.
Yep. So I would wait. Let it give you a definitive answer. Because it's either going to stay up here above VWAP or it's going to stay down here. And I can tell you right now, since we've got a pre-market level right here, and it's so close to here, guess what I would be waiting for? I'd be waiting down here, right? Why? Because if it breaks through this area, it can bounce on our pre-market, and why risk it?
Okay.
Yep, this is why we've got to know all these levels. You got to know all these ranges, everybody. Yes? Okay, good. All right, now you're thinking. Listen to everybody. Listen. Listen to the room. Can you hear it? This is everybody's thinking right now. Listen. Oh, that's nice. That's so nice right there. We got a lot of people thinking. Am I right? Woo. Okay, good.
We're listening.
Thank you. Let's see. Trey over on TikTok says just made $8,000 from $500. Congratulations.
Yes.
Yes. Nice job. Now here's something scary. One of the people that are watching on Twitch that is not a member, let me repeat, that is not a member, says I am down about $1 million on GME. Yikes. Yeah, let's not do that.
What?
Yeah, let's not do that. No, no, no. There goes your SPY. So if SPY breaks above VWAP and holds, what would be a good trade? Anybody?
Calls.
Thank you. And if it's below here, puts. And
NVIDIA.
Thank
NVIDIA.
you. Thank you.
It also mean get out of your puts too.
And
right?
anything in this circle I just drew, don't touch it. Here we go. Here comes your calls. There goes your calls. There's your SPY calls.
Let's go.
That's nice. So nice. Now
Yeah.
it left VWAP. It left the comfort of VWAP. Bye-bye. Set it free. Set that eagle free.
Coach, NVIDIA's trying to head for a double top.
Thank you. If I could type, that would be great. Yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good. What do you know? Sitting at, is that our key level at 901.50? Isn't that our?
Yes, it is.
Oh, well, what do you know? That's our level, right? Didn't we draw that out this morning? Over an hour ago?
That's our level.
That's our level right there. There it goes. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. That's nice. So again,
Can you send the email over to Apple?
Look at that. Breaking the double top. So just like this, Andrew, and it's in all my training we talk about on the daily. This breaks through the double top. That's a go for long. We're going to watch to see if it wants to retest this area again for support. And if not, we just sit here and ride the wave.
NVIDIA's got that big call energy.
Oh, yeah. And look at that. Massive candles pouring in. And NVIDIA just flipped red to green. Isn't that also bullish? Yeah, it is. Nice job.
And this is pushing SPY up too.
Yep.
Beautiful. Look at SPY.
And look at SPY. Did anybody get in exactly when I said?
It's got to be Powell.
Yes,
SPY
coach.
calls.
I got in, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Watch for this double top on SPY around 522, and you know it's going to be early. 521.80-ish. Yep, there it goes.
That was Powell saying he would cut interest rates if he saw that there was a need. He just said it.
Right.
Thanks for the VIP, coach. I just bought it.
Oh,
So,
hey.
Coach Mark,
Nice job.
Coach Mark,
Who was it that got the VIP?
Jeremy Meyer.
Hey, nice, Jeremy. Congrats, man. Glad to have
that's
you
the
here.
best thing ever made, man.
Yep.
I've been a member for a while, but I've never pulled the trigger, so appreciate it.
Well, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Nice. My customer liaison team will be welcome you across all the channels now. Thank you for being here. SPY.
Things are good happening now.
Yep, SPY is up on this big double top. Look at SPY on the big double top. Look at the momentum pushing to the upside. Woo-wee.
It's funny. Powell says he might cut interest rates, and it's like Dumb and Dumber. Oh, so you're saying there's a chance?
Yeah. Weird.
Yeah.
But you know what? The market's going to absolutely love that.
For a couple hours.
Yep, they will love that. That's super bullish news for the market, by the way. So NVIDIA flying high again. SPY, you all made ass loads of money if you got in exactly when I said, exactly when we were showing you down here. I mean, that was textbook, right? Nice.
Yeah, Apple bouncing off VWAP too, same time.
Thank you. Hold on, sorry, my live ended a while ago. Let me get this back up. But nice job, everybody. Congratulations. That's just beautiful. Beautiful work. Just crushing the market again today. Absolutely crushing the market in every way. I don't care what stock it is. I don't care where it's been, where it's going. We're just ripping the heart right out of this market. Love it.
You do.
Give us the crying baby, coach.
I'm pulling it up as we speak. You are very intelligent. Sorry, market. Sorry. Can't help you. Can't help you.
It's baby.
Yep, nothing I can do for you. Sorry about that, market. That's our money. Taking that to the bank. That's amazing. Nice. Let's keep it going. NVIDIA still climbing. Nice job. Nice. Looks like our VIP lifetime has sold. That's it. Doors are closed. Congratulations. Jeremy. Jeremy. Congratulations. You got the last VIP lifetime membership for today. Congratulations.
I was going to say doors are closed on the lifetime.
Yep.
We'll take you though.
But You guys still have the opportunity to use that code 500 off. Yes, go ahead for VIP.
I'm gone for the day.
Please tell me you had a good day.
Drum roll.
Little over 24,000 a day.
24,000 freaking dollars today.
That a boy, Nate.
Way to go, Nate.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Nate.
you. Yes. Coach, I'm getting tired of this VIP thing. We talk about it every day.
I know.
And these people don't buy. I don't understand it. I just don't.
I hear you.
I'm a little slow. I got off on the little bus, so I'm slow.
Nate, I'm so proud of you, man. Listen, go enjoy your day. It's 10:30. You've done your work, right? You came in early.
Yes.
You got everything done. You made an extra $24,000. Forget about it. Have an amazing day. We love you, brother.
Yes, sir. 19 grand of that was doing the pre-market.
Oh, nice job. You guys hear that? $19,000 was from inside of that VIP room, pre-market. I'm telling you, man, there's so much goodness going on in there.
And really just an hour, 7 to 7:56.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Again, proud of you. Great job, Nate.
Thank you.
You can make money on penny stocks in the pre-market? No way.
Absolutely.
No way. No way.
See, it's not
possible.
Nope, definitely not. There's no
This
way.
is bullshit.
Impossible.
Yeah, I'm calling bullshit on this whole thing. There's no way Nate has already made over $5 million doing exactly that. American Dream Trading
Nice
VIP
job.
membership. Thank you very much. Nice job. Love it, love it, love it. Sean, you got your hand up. Go ahead. You're on with the coach.
Hey, Coach.
Hey,
I just wanted to verify SPY. I have a level at 522.83. Can you confirm that? I just want to make sure that's right.
I got the same thing.
Do you? Okay. Well, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, it kind of dropped a bit of a gap yesterday, and it's trying to refill it right now.
Yeah, I see a bunch around this 522. Yeah, which makes sense that it pulled back to it. You see where it touched 522 and bounced. So that's support. I've got one at 522.21, 522.42. Big level up here at 74, which is actually around 70. Those are your levels. I'm not sure what you guys have, but that's at least the, oops, I just moved that on accident. Those are the levels that I see out there. So 522, 522.22, which is pulling in here, 522.42, which is funny. Look here, and then right there was 522. And then I had one way up at 522.75. Everybody see them?
Yeah, it struggled hard at 522.68 the other day.
Did it? Okay, that's good. Then it's probably a gold level, right?
I think it's going to take a little work to chew across it, yeah.
Yep, smart. But yeah, so if you guys look at that, this, and this is where we're fighting. Nice job, everybody. Let's see. Jeremy, you got the lifetime, so make sure you go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, go to your orders, and just make sure it's all linked up. If you don't see that you have your lifetime, because I don't see it's linked yet to your Discord account, just open up a ticket and we will make sure for you. All right, partner?
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thanks.
Yep. And we'll make sure, too, to cancel, if you have any other memberships so you don't get billed again.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yep. Let's see.
Okay, Coach, I know it's not a lot, but for 1326 to 1467 on Faraday, that's I've hit that twice for a pretty good chunk of change. A penny. I mean, that's percentage is percentage, right?
That's right.
So,
yes. So right here, you're riding this channel.
Yeah.
Yep. I love it. This is how Jimmy made his first million. Well, I think the first 3 million is this move right here. See this? This right here is $1 million move, because you can do it over and over and over and over again until it shows you not to do it anymore, right?
Yep. I just set my stop about a quarter point lower, and that's it.
And then every time bounce, 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 and then the
Point,
one time
point,
it breaks
point.
through. Yep.
Coach, so on that note,
Wait,
so,
hand up, Andrew.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
So on the how do you determine if it's gonna bounce all over and over again? Is it on the first bounce, or you have to wait on the second, on the third to determine that?
It's a great question. Nope. So the first one sets the precedence, right? Right here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
There's your first. And now every time, bounce, 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 bounce. You see
But
these?
you almost have to wait on the second one to confirm, though, right?
Well, yeah, because if there's not a first one, there can't be a second. So as soon as the first one happens, and you can see right here, it was big. You had this candle and this giant candle. This set the whole tone for it. And then it happened again. Now we know for sure. This is called a double bottom bounce. Andrew, see it?
Okay. Okay.
That's a double bottom. Now we know if it breaks below VWAP, we get out. We wait. It comes back down here. We get it again. It rides back up, pulls back, so on and so forth. It just constantly over and over and over and over and over again pays. This is $1 million setup. Why? Because if you do this a bunch of times throughout the course of days, weeks, and or months, and you master this, which, by the way, Andrew, all of this training is inside of my mastermind class, How to Grow a Small Account, part 1, everybody, right? This whole thing is inside of my mastermind class, part 1, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep, the whole thing on how to make millions and millions and millions of dollars is in that class. Go get it right now. Results not guaranteed.
Coach, on Friday when you guys were in your moderator meeting, I did about almost 3 hours of scalp and channel trading, detailed analysis, and did a lot of training for the group that afternoon on just this.
Yeah, that's phenomenal. By the way, Palm Coast, we got your name like all over stuff. So I have you heavily on my radar to do things here. I don't know if you know that or not.
I didn't know, but I appreciate that.
Yep.
I'm humble. I humbly thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm hearing nothing but amazing things, even when I'm not here, and not just because of how you're doing in trading, but I'm hearing lots of good things. I've always got my eyes and ears inside of the room on what's going on at all times so that I know who can do what, when, where, how, strengths and weaknesses, so we can utilize the strengths and build the weaknesses. That's my job as the coach, right?
Yep.
But I've got you and Hamilton both on my radar. By the way, everybody, real quick, don't forget prayer or positive energy for for Hamilton's wife. Please, her name is Kathy. So everybody keep, and also keep Virginia in your prayers and or positive thoughts if you're not praying people. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Coach.
Yep. Yes. I think I lost her. Rex, go ahead.
Now, 25,000 in your account, is that always going to be the case in order to do the going up and going down and going up and going down?
Yep, that's a great question. So remember, everybody, if you have a margin account and it is $25,000 or more, you do not have to adhere to PDT, which is pattern day trading rules. That means you have an unlimited amount of trades.
Yeah, I just started. I started like 2 months ago.
Which means you can have unlimited amounts of trades if you have this set up. Remember, though, it has to be margin, and you have to have more than 25,000 or more, so that you don't have to stick to those PDT rules. It's unlimited trading. Okay, partner?
The market is
Bottom.
crashing.
Triple bottom spot.
Yep, I see it. Now, luckily for all of you, you already know what to do on SPY if it gets below that level. Right? I'm waiting for 520.80. I'm actually going to wait for the break of that, right? Remember, we talked about that?
Break and hold.
Yep. Yeah, thank you. Listen, you guys, you don't even need me anymore. You're such professionals in here. You guys are awesome. And the reason is, again, yeah, sure, I could make a quick buck here. But the problem is I could make a quick buck here, but then it'll bounce super hard right here. Then I'll lose everything that I got into. Instead, I want to wait till the break of here because it's already so close to our pre-market setup, which was already a critical level. So I want to make sure it gets through this support. Hope that makes sense. Good. So break and hold below 520.80. Nice setup for those puts. That means keep an eye on FFIE2, partner, right?
Absolutely.
Yep. There it goes.
Oh, there I want to stop.
See? Did I call that literally the second before it dropped?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Right? Isn't that
I don't care. A quarter of a penny after hammering that 4 times.
Yeah, yeah.
You kidding me?
Yep. Nice job. Nice job. But the reason is everybody that I, had a good indication of it for the first time. I mean, if you think about it, it's the first time it's happened since 9:45 when it started this trend. But I told you exactly now, after it's touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times. And we called it out exactly 1 second before it dropped because we saw the overall market taking a dump. That's from being here for over 3 decades, right? And now look at that dumpster fire. Yep.
We'll just see if it sets up a lower channel now.
Yep, there you go. But is this making sense, everybody? Do you see why American Dream Trading does it different? And typically we're on point. I don't want to say better than everybody else, but we do it pretty damn well. Am I right?
Yep. We are better than everyone else.
We're not better.
Absolutely.
But we're pretty damn good. Well, we'll just say that. We're pretty damn good, right?
There's trained and untrained.
That's right. We're pretty good, though. We definitely get our money's worth here, and that's the biggest thing, right? Is we want to make sure you get your money's worth. I need you to be trained in this room to make these types of trades. SPY, still waiting for that break of 5.20 So whatever Powell said, I was just kidding. We're probably not going to lower interest rates. All right.
Just kidding.
Yeah, just kidding. Psych. Because everybody remember that?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say too. Psych.
Old school. Old school. We're going old school right there. The young kids are like, what? They're like cap, mid. What you're saying is cap and mid.
In older school, he's like Lucy with the football.
Exactly. Pulls it out. Oh, that's awesome. All right. It's 10:41. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and start reading off the profits and loss. Did everybody post the profits and loss? Are we getting in a good habit of that? I'm trying to get you in the habit. No? Well, let's start posting over there. Get them over there.
Hey, Coach, can I say something?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
If you made money today and you don't go buy the VIP Lifetime, or the VIP Gold, you are a stupid fucking idiot. Sorry, Don, get the jar out because...
Wait a minute. What just happened?
It's next level. You make money. I mean, I've been bleeding for months, and the bleeding is stopping, and the profits are starting to come in. I'm not making bank, but I'm making changes. I'm making all the right changes, and I'm telling you, every video I watch, there's something. I'm about to cut this shit off, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to watch David Lane's talk about ATR because I cut that video off last night, and I'm going to go finish it. and you need to get in here. If you made money, get in here. Stop waiting. I don't care what you're thinking. Take the risk. If you made money, you're fucking stupid if you do not invest in this.
Okay. All right. And we might be.
I take offense to that.
Yeah, I'll say we might be getting a little.
I resemble that remark.
Yeah, everybody. Beep, 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 beep. Everybody watch the language. Everybody be cool. Listen, I appreciate it. I get what you're saying. It is a little frustrating, but you're not effing stupid. We love all your faces. I appreciate the emotion behind that. But yeah, everybody's extremely intelligent. Love all your faces.
Oh yeah, I love everybody
Yeah,
here. Don't get me wrong. Maybe that came across the wrong way.
if we were in a
but
courtroom,
stop waiting. I don't understand why people have the money to do this and they don't do it. Like, you need to get in here. You need to see what's behind these doors.
I understand. I appreciate that. And again, I understand the emotions behind it. But if we were in a courtroom right now, I'd have to say, cross that off. Nobody heard that.
Hey, coach.
Everybody be cool. Yeah. Thank you though. I appreciate it, but little harsh. Go ahead.
Can I just spin it a different way?
Yeah. Thank you. How about a positive light? That'd be great.
Yeah. If you benefit from this, it's almost like you need to feed into that positivity, right?
Yep,
Coach, you dedicated yourself to training people. There's a lot of people that are making money for free off of this. It's not about tipping. It's about acknowledging the IP that Coach has worked so hard to develop and investing in that. And that investment will only continue to pay off in more positive ways. So, Coach, we honor you by subscribing to your services. You're a great man. You've dedicated yourself to a lot of people making a lot of money. And you know what? To quote Austin Powers,
I knew it.
Throw me a bone here.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, thank you, everybody. I do appreciate it. Again, sorry. Listen, sometimes this is an emotional state. We have family members that can get out of hand a little bit. But I appreciate you, BX Rod. Thank you, Ted, for bringing that back in. I do appreciate it. And you guys know I joke around a lot. I'm like, you need to slap yourselves in the mouth. It's a joke, but the serious undertone behind it.
And that's where I'm coming from.
Yeah,
Seriously.
No,
I mean,
I
I'm
get
not.
it. Yeah.
I'm not hating on anybody. I got love for everybody in this world.
I get
And
it.
at the same time, I got to go say a prayer because I just said like 5 F words in a row.
Yeah. My wife would kill me too. Yeah. Every time I do something like that, my wife, she gets so mad at me.
I'm the same way.
Yeah. We got to make sure our partners, they keep us in check, right? That's why they're our partners. But again,
seriously, I mean, the level of stuff that is, especially VIP Gold. I mean, getting to go through Mark's, I don't know when or where he comes up with this crap, but going through his news at night before bed just puts a whole spin on my next day now. So there's so much valuable intelligence in the gold alone. It's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. And and here's the thing too, right? It isn't just me. So like Mark, and we got Nate in the morning. We got Ted who's doing earnings. By the way, when people are helping like that, just so you guys know, they're usually not making money in the market. So it's money out of their pocket. Like when Ted is doing earnings, he's literally missing out on trades that he could be making throughout the day. So they are dedicating time, which equates to money when they are talking to you guys, when they are working with you guys. You know what I mean? So this is a group effort. This is why I have the people that I have in here, this community of people helping people. This is what's the most important thing. This is why we want to honor each other. We want to build each other up. We want to work with each other every day. We want to be support when people need it, whether it's, emotional, financial. We've done tons of drives for people to help them out in need, whatever the case may be, right? This isn't just coaches in here selling memberships, because that's bullshit, guys. I would be done. I would be done. I've already sold enough memberships to be done. I'm telling you right now, that would be it, right? I'm still trying to reach more and more and more and more people. We still have more work to go. There's still more people that need help. There's still more people that need a community of people supporting them, being around them, being a positive influence. Think about it. You might come here to learn how to trade, but you might stick around because it's really a positive support group, right? You might be struggling at your job, and you guys, in the after hours, a lot of times you guys will talk about extra things. We really want to help support each other. Obviously, the main emphasis is on the stock market, but inside of this room, we want to make sure that we honor each other and take care of each other, right? Because I'm telling you right now, there is a point for all of us, right, when making more money doesn't do anything else, right? I've already got a house, the cars, right? Right? I got insurance policies, all the things. There comes to a point where the money is no longer the focus. That isn't the thing anymore. So I want you guys, hopefully all of you at some point get there one day, right? And I'm looking at you too, everybody that's over on the live. At some point, I want you to get to the point where it's not a money thing anymore. Now it's about trying to become a better person, trying to help people out, try to be a better spouse, a better person for your partner, a better father, mother, sister, brother, cousin, nephew, niece, doesn't matter, a better employee, a better employer, a better business owner, a better everything, right? Because eventually, I'm telling you right now, you stay here long enough and actually do what we're doing, it isn't a money thing anymore. I'm telling you right now, you think Nate needs to make more than $5 million? Guys, that's more than all of America retires with. Marky Mark's over 7 million. Brady's over 28 million. I've made millions, literally millions of dollars training everybody. We're at the point where it's not a money game anymore. And I would love for all of you someday to be in that position where it isn't about the money. Yes, you can continue to grow that money. And I always tell you guys to diversify. It doesn't always have to be just the stock market. There's tons of ways to make money, and you should be. And you should be investing in stocks and bonds and your Roth IRAs and your 401ks and right, your HSAs and your life insurance policies. And I tell you guys this stuff all the time, right? Maybe Airbnb, like whatever your thing is. Rentals, the Burr method, right? Buy it and rehab it, refinance it. There's so many things we can do in here. Eventually, when you become good enough, it's not going to be the money anymore. So then you got to check yourself. Like, who are you as a person? What are you doing for yourself? And this is where I want us to all be, right? The enlightened area where you're not struggling anymore to pay the bills, feed the family, worry about where the next meal's coming from, the gas to get to work, to the job you hate, answering to the boss you can't stand, right? Do you understand? This is what we're doing. This is what I'm trying to get you to. And the only way to do that right now is through a community of people helping people. I can help you financially. Hopefully you guys understand I'm trying to also help you spiritually and not just Christian religion, right? It has nothing to do with that. I'm not trying to push Christianity out of you, right? I'm just saying positive energy, being the light, working with other people, just trying to be a good person. This is what we're about. This is the American dream, right? So thank you guys. With that, I'm going to wrap up. Moderators, I'll let you guys, if you would, please read off the profits and loss. Don't forget, again, today, if you want to sign up, you know where to go, AmericanDreamTrading.com. I'm not going to tell you. You already know. You already know where to go. You already know what to do. But again, thank you to my moderators that put in all this extra work, energy, money. They put their heart and souls into what we're doing in here because they believe in what we're doing. They want to help people. And again, we are one of the largest and fastest stock market education companies in the country. And this is what's nice. We're all building something unique, something cool, hopefully something you guys could be proud of. If you guys recommend other people to come here, I hope you have a smile on your face and you absolutely would love to recommend us. Not like, well, I know a place. No, I want it to be like, we got this amazing place. These are awesome people. They will help you. This is what I want. This is what I want. That's going to reach more people. We're going to change more lives. We're going to change more families. You're going to change the community around you. For every Nate and Mark and Ted and Ether Mark and Bruno, right? And every person that is finding success and being successful and doing the things. Eric's Moto, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Every time we make somebody not worry anymore. They have time, and then they can help other people. This is what it's about. Time is money, and this is what I want, right? Nate's done for the day. 10:30, he's out of here. Did he come in at 4? Sure. 6.5 hours, 24,000 or whatever. Marky Mark's made $80,000 today. I mean, it's glorious. You don't have to do anything else. This is my dream, the American dream. It's all encompassing. It doesn't say American trading. It's not AAA trading, so I can be listed first on ranking systems. When I put this together, it was like, what do I want it to be? I want this to all encompass the American dream. And we happen to trade in the room. There you go. That's our name. And people hate it because it's so long. I don't care. Yeah, I could have named it Bull and Bear and Wall Street and a Wolf. I don't give a shit about any of that. This is the American dream. This is what we're doing. So again, thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. By the way, if myself or anybody else offended you today with the swear words and, being direct and all the other stuff, we apologize. We're human, right? We'll do better. Love your faces. So nobody get mad. Put your pitchforks away. Trust me, there will be at some point in your life where you might also slip or do something. And I would hope that you would show the grace and mercy to be okay with it, because we're all human beings. Thank you to all my military family. I appreciate each and every one of you that have served or that is serving. We love you so much and honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all of our first responders, as always. Thank you to everybody that's out there, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have a great day.
Absolutely. I appreciate you all. Okay, I'm out of here, moderators. It's all
Thanks,
you.
Coach.
Thank you, man. I'm losing my voice. I got to go before I got nothing left. I appreciate you guys again. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
are
Coach.
awesome. Absolutely.
Thank you, Coach. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank
You too.
Have a good afternoon.
Thank you, guys. Shut it down.
IPO BTOC is live. Bacon Thomas, Oscar Charlie.